Dreaming of a white Christmas? Northern Europe is calling. Spend your holiday season in the captivating region where the holiday spirit truly comes alive. In addition to witnessing major attractions and trotting the snow-covered streets, you can go ice skating, indulge in julebord, a traditional Christmas buffet in northern countries, and drink warming gløgg. Let's uncover what are Northern Europe's best destinations for the perfect Christmas escape. One, Rovaniemi, Finland. The enchanting capital of Finnish Lapland is famous for being the official hometown of Santa Claus. In Rovaniemi, you can immerse yourself in the magic of Christmas at Santa Claus Village, meet the jolly man himself, explore his workshop, and even send a letter from the North Pole. This Finnish town is also one of Europe's best places to observe the Northern Lights. You can set out on an aurora safari and try to catch the elusive Northern Lights, or stay in a glass igloo and hope to witness them from the comfort of your bed. By the way, there are glass igloos just next to the Santa Claus village too. In Rovaniemi, you can also complement your winter adventure with a number of exciting activities, from dog or reindeer sledding to snowmobiling. The sheer number of available activities is simply mind-blowing, which, coupled with Santa's residence, makes Rovaniemi one of Europe's best Christmas holiday destinations. 2. Copenhagen, Denmark. Denmark's stunning capital is worth a trip any season. But as the year's end creeps on, Copenhagen turns into a genuine winter wonderland, where Christmas markets one after one pop up around the city. The Tivoli Gardens, a historic amusement park, transforms into the city's most popular attraction around Christmas time, offering festive rides and dazzling light displays. Nyhavn, Copenhagen's famous waterfront, becomes lined up with seemingly endless wooden stalls selling delicious food and unique handicrafts. And after all, a short winter trip presents an ideal opportunity to explore this beautiful city, a city that will capture your heart and leave you longing for more. 3. Tallinn, Estonia. Estonia's enchanting capital seamlessly blends medieval history with modern vibrancy, creating a truly unique Christmas experience. Wander through the cobblestone streets of the UNESCO-listed Old Town, where charming shops and cafes are adorned with festive decorations. Walk the snow-dusted streets that create a perfect backdrop setting for your Christmas photos. And discover the magic of Tallinn's Christmas market, consistently ranked among Europe's best. Here, you can find handcrafted gifts, savor traditional Estonian treats, and warm up with a cup of gløgg. Tallinn is a city where history comes alive, and the spirit of Christmas shines bright. 4. Stockholm, Sweden. Sweden's vibrant capital is another awesome destination for your Christmas trip. At the end of November, the city takes on a festive look, which, together with snow, creates a superb, festive atmosphere. Once you land in Stockholm in December, go lose yourself in the maze of cobblestone streets in Gamla, the charming old town, where you'll discover quaint shops, cozy cafes, and the city's oldest Christmas market. Stroll the city's snowy streets adorned with Christmas decorations and visit Stockholm's major attractions. And don't miss the opportunity to glide across the ice at one of the city's outdoor ice rinks. By the way, the ice rink in Kungstræde is the most popular one. 5. Oslo, Norway. Norway's capital usually doesn't come first to mind when thinking of the best destinations for the Christmas holidays, but we can assure you there are a lot of things to do in Oslo around Christmas. Explore the bustling Christmas market at Spikersuppa, where the aroma of roasted almonds and gløgg fills the air. Immerse yourself in the festive atmosphere with a performance of A Christmas Carol at the National Theatre. And of course, explore the city's major attractions while trotting its decorated streets. Oslo is a city where the Christmas atmosphere comes alive, and we invite you to explore it on the special walking tour of our daughter company. You will find the link in the description of this video. 6. Bergen, Norway. Our journey continues to Bergen, a charming city nestled amidst Norway's breathtaking fjords. Famous for the colorful Bryggen Wharf, a UNESCO World Heritage Site. In December, the city transforms into a winter wonderland with twinkling lights and festive decorations. Explore the delightful Christmas market at Festive, where you can savor traditional Norwegian treats and find unique handcrafted gifts. For a breathtaking panorama, take a funicular ride up Mount Fløyen and admire the city bathed in the soft glow of winter. While this season is not the usual time to travel to Bergen, you should definitely consider taking a short trip to this beautiful city in western Norway. 7. Tromsø, Norway. Tromsø, Norway's largest city within the Arctic Circle, is another amazing destination on our list. Renowned as the capital of northern Norway, Tromsø, just like Rovaniemi, is one of the best places in Europe to observe the northern lights. And this city is truly the best destination for outdoor adventures in winter. Here, you can embark on a thrilling dog sledding expedition through snowy landscapes, or try your hand at snowshoeing or cross-country skiing. Or you can visit a reindeer farm and learn more about the Sami culture, or take a cable car to enjoy spectacular views and the northern light dances from Storstein. And don't forget to explore the city, stroll its charming streets, and marvel at the architectural wonder of the Arctic Cathedral, with its striking design resembling a giant iceberg. Tromsø is a city where adventure and natural beauty combine to create an unforgettable Arctic experience. 8. Riga, Latvia. Latvia's enchanting capital can boast some of the most vibrant, fun-filled Christmas markets, especially the one at the Dome Square in Riga's Old Town. And the snow-dusted cobblestone streets of the Old Town, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, create a genuinely magic atmosphere. Enjoy a relaxed walk through Riga's historic centre, or for a breathtaking panorama, climb St. Peter's Church Tower and admire the city bathed in the soft glow of winter lights. And don't forget to indulge in Latvia's rich culinary traditions, from hearty stews to delicious pastries. 9. Helsinki, Finland. Finland's vibrant capital offers an awesome Christmas escape, a city where modern design meets festive atmosphere. Explore the bustling Christmas market at Senate Square, where you can find handcrafted treasures and savor traditional Finnish treats. Embrace the winter wonderland atmosphere at Esplanadi Park with its twinkling lights and inviting ice rink. Discover the architectural marvel of the Temppeliaukio church, carved directly into solid rock. And for a taste of history, take a ferry to Suomenlinna, a UNESCO World Heritage Site and a sea fortress with a fascinating past. And of course, don't forget about the Finnish sauna. Winter is the perfect time to travel to Helsinki. 10. Vilnius, Lithuania. Vilnius, Lithuania's charming capital, is the last destination on our list. Wander through the festive Christmas market at Cathedral Square with its towering Christmas tree and twinkling lights. Explore the captivating Old Town, a historic part of the city which is also a UNESCO World Heritage Site. For a breathtaking view, climb Gediminas Tower and admire the city blanketed in snow. And don't miss the chance to experience Lithuania's unique Christmas traditions, from the Kūčios Christmas Eve dinner to festive performances at the Vilnius Cathedral. From the snowy landscapes of Lapland to the charming capitals of the Baltics, Northern Europe offers a truly magical Christmas experience. Whether you're seeking adventure, cultural immersion, or simply a cozy escape, these enchanting destinations will fill your heart with a holiday atmosphere and create memories that will last a lifetime. This concludes our list of Northern Europe's best destinations for the Christmas holidays. Let us know what you think of our list and tell us about your favorite winter trips in the comments below. And if you liked this video, give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Start planning your dream Christmas getaway today. Visit our website or follow us on social media for more inspiration and travel tips. Happy holidays!